How to activate ESPN Plus with Disney Plus. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get back to the video. To activate your ESPN Plus, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is purchase yourself Disney bundle. Right here in the package, you will see Get All 3. That includes your Hulu, Disney Plus, and your ESPN Plus. So all you have to do is purchase the package that consists of this 3 combo. Mind it, you will have to pay a certain fee to get yourself Disney bundles. Then, once you have successfully purchased it, your ESPN Plus will be automatically activated in your Disney Plus. Isn't it wonderful? For this, you have to add your credit card information. That will require your card number and your CVV along with the expiration date. If you select the PayPal method, you have to enter or log in to the PayPal account. That will require the credential of your PayPal. Once you have selected this package and pay for the package, you will be able to enjoy your ESPN Plus. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.